Hi, this is Joel from Chapman Manufacturer, and I understand you're looking for some bulk sets. Yeah, we have kits in yellow, tan, blue, red, and orange. Yeah, and you know, we have tons of kits in stock. I mean, you know, we can do any orders. Oh, you want tan? Yeah, we have 20 kits in tan. But you want 20 kits in tan with a tiny metal dog? I mean, I can look around the shop and see if we have a little dog, but oh yeah, we only have one. Oh, I thought you said you wanted tan. You want orange, and you want 40 kits in orange with 3D printed labels? Yeah, we can do that, but I mean, I'm not sure if we can include a giant water bottle with 40 orange kits, 3D printed. Oh no, we have a giant water bottle. Oh, but your company color is blue? Okay, yeah, we have blue kits. Yeah, we can do blue kits with blue ratchets. And we even have palm ratchets too, which is a newer product. Oh, but your boss doesn't like blue, your boss likes yellow? And you want like 75 kits in yellow? Yeah, I mean, we stock hundreds of kits at any time, and we usually ship, you know, next business day, depending on how custom you want your kits. Oh, and your company logo is a cow? I mean, yeah, we probably have a small cow somewhere. Okay, yeah, I mean, red is fine. We also have red in stock. But you want them delivered by Justin Bieber? I mean, I have no kits, but Bieber might be hard to track down. I'm not a celebrity. Yeah, none of our videos have gone that viral yet. I'm not sure if you've seen them. You know what, like, you know, when you figure out how many kits you want, you could just send me an email. But in the meantime, we'll start working on those 400 red kits. Okay, great. Okay, yeah, thanks a lot. You can email me, joel@chapmanmfg.com. Okay, bye.